and an individual way to write your initials.
Have you got a monogram? No? Well, you should have. What are they? These are monograms. They are your initials all interwoven into a really fancy design. They're very ornate and you get them on personalised letters, important documents, and the rich and famous have them printed on, well, nearly everything. They're a sort of logo for royalty. They look fantastic and they're great fun to design. So, why should the rich and famous have all the fun? I think you and I need our own monogram. So let's start with your initials. Now, it doesn't matter what letters they are, but make it look curvy. Now, it can be capital or small letters, but just make it out of curvy lines like that. Now, I'm doing a curvy N, and you can extend bits of it so one side's longer. Then just weave another of your initials onto the first one. Now, you can do it next to it, or underneath it, or on top of it, or maybe even on the side like that, just overlapping. Yeah, that's looking good. Now, to get fancy, just extend some of these lines with curvy spirals. Now, I'll show you what I mean. There's a curvy spiral there, and there's another curvy spiral there. And it's just a case of picking the ends of some of these letters, and watch this, right the way over there, like that. And just keep going. Then, thicken up some of the lines by doubling them up. So I'm going to take that up there, like that, and maybe that one all the way across there. You could even thicken up some of these curves. Then colour in the thick bits of these letters. And as you're doing it, you can always add on other little bits if you think it needs it. I'll put another little curve in there, I think, little spiral. And there it is, my own very fancy monogram. And once you've designed your own monogram, you can have great fun deciding on what colour scheme it's going to be. I've tried several different styles for mine. How's about this one? I've done a red one, and I've painted this using a brush in the same style. This is the same style, only I've coloured it in with dots. And on this one, I've really tied the two letters together and used two different colours. Try it yourself. Curve your initials, weave them together, add on some fancy curls and loops, all to create your own personalised monogram, because you never know. One day, you may be rich, famous, or even marry royalty.